welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video is going to be a gaya-gaya. So we're going to recreate a Jhames Charles makeup look. Ayan, so ito ang napili kong makeup niya. Ayan, medyo mabilis lang siya gawin guys. Very easy for me and very simple makeup. But I love this makeup look. Ayan, so kayang-kaya kong gawin. So for those of you who don't know yet, Jhames Charles, ayan, with 25 million subscribers. My goodness, ang laki-laki ng kanyang channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's start. So I'm going to start for my foundation, and I'm using this full coverage foundation from Maybelline. Ayan, i-blend lang natin siya guys na maayos. Next product that I'm going to use is this concealer from Maybelline also guys. So this is the Age Rewind Eraser. So i-blend natin siya ulit. Next product that I'm going to use is the loose powder. Ayan, so for the loose powder, I'm using this Catrice Nude Lotion. And so for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Huda Beauty palette. Ayan, so i-blend lang natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. So tapos na tayo sa kabilang side. Ayan, tapos na tayo dito sa ating right side. So yung left side natin ngayon is blue color. Ayan, so gagamitin natin itong shade na to. Ayan guys, so parang di siya masyadong blue. So gagamit tayo ng ibang palette. So I'm using this Rimmel. So gagamitin ko ulit itong shade na to, itong blue. Ayan, so for the mascara, I'm using this Hyper Curl Mascara. So this is from Maybelline. So next, magkikilay muna tayo bago tayo maglagay ng false eyelashes. So for the eyebrows, ang gagamitin ko is itong powder from Silk Girl. Ayan, so next I'm going to contour my face, and for the contour, I'm using this Into It. So next, I am going to use this Maxi Blush from Rimmel. Ayan, for the highlights, I'm going to use these two highlights here. So the last product that I'm going to use is this setting spray. So this is from Rimmel. Ayan, tapos na tayo guys sa ating makeup. Charot. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope to see you again soon in my next video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Ano ba? God bless everyone. Ayan guys. See you. Bye!